In this video, I'm going to show you how to set some custom ringtone on iPhone. So there are a lot of options to do so. There are options to use, an example, your PC plus your iTunes, where you can import anything that you want, an example, and trim it to 30 seconds, then add it, of course, from iTunes to your from your PC, of course, to your iPhone. But the method that I'm going to talk about is simply using an application called GarageBand. So if you go to the App Store, as example, and go for the search, and simply here we'll have to look for GarageBand. Go and hit the first option, and as you can see, here we are. I'm just going to click on Get. So let me just wait for it until download Touch ID. Let me just go and accept that, and it should be done. So now I'll have just to wait for it until it gets installed. Should not take a lot of time, so let's just wait for it a little bit. So once it is installed, I'm just going to click on it to open it up, and let's just wait for it. So here we are. I'm just going to rotate it like this, and here we are. So easiest ways to play. Click on allow as an example. Yeah, sure. And now, as an example, I can just go back. So as you can see, this is basically the dashboard. I can just go and click on the plus button here if I want to add any like custom thing. I can also record something using my microphone, which I will do as my custom like input or my custom ringtone. So in here, let me just go and I don't know, I'm going to do something random in here, and let's just play for a little bit. Let's just start recording. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And as an example, I'm just going to do some random stuff. Wake up, this is your ringtone. So, okay, that's good. Of course, you'll be able to play it if you want to. And now what we'll basically have to do, as an example, if I just go back to my songs in here, as you can see, it's saving, and here we are. Now we have an example, this my ringtone, my custom ringtone. Of course, you'll be able to rename it whatever you want. An example, you can just go and rename it like custom, or not customer, so custom ringtone, like this. So now all we need to do is we can of course add something, which is because I recorded just 5 seconds, we can go as an example and click on the song and click on that break icon, as you can see at the top left. And here we'll be able to click on our sound, and we'll be able to loop it if you want to. If you want to have like a long custom ringtone. Example for me, let me just go and put it here. And of course, we'll be able to go and click here and just loop it however we want. This is of course like if you want to add some stuff to it, there are some stuff, but I don't like adding any music. It's not good for me in my case. So in order to loop it, just double click on it and click on loop, and it will be looping basically. So that's it. As you can see, if you click on loop, double click again, and you'll be able of course to do whatever now you want with it. So I'm just going to go to my songs. It will save of course the changes that I made. And of course, just make sure that you loop it under like 30 seconds. If it's not under 30 seconds, this will not work. Now, as an example, you can just long share this or long press this. Then we'll be able to go and click on share. And we'll have to go and choose ringtone. And simply just go and choose it. Then click on export. So as you can see, ringtone exported successfully. So you can just go and click on OK. And now, as an example, you can go to your settings. In your settings, as an example, you can scroll down until you find the sounds and haptics or haptics. And here, example, on the ringtone, you can simply just choose your custom ringtone like here, and it will work without any problems. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.